In today's video, I am going to teach you how to schedule posts Hootsuite. If you have ever wanted to plan your content in advance, this is the feature you will want to use. Scheduling helps you stay consistent, reduces last-minute posting stress, and makes it easier to coordinate campaigns across multiple social accounts. First, sign in to Hootsuite. When you open Hootsuite, you will be taken to the login page. Enter your login details and complete sign-in. After you sign in, wait for your main dashboard to load fully. This matters because scheduling options depend on the dashboard being ready, and it also helps you confirm you are working in the correct organization and account area. Next, click plus Create a Post. On many screens, you will see a button with a plus icon or a Create option in the posting area. Clicking it opens the Posting Composer, where you can build the content and choose how and when it will be published. Take a moment to confirm you are in the post creation window, not in a different menu for analytics or settings. After that, select the social account. In the Composer, Hootsuite will prompt you to choose where the post should go. You may see options such as different profiles or pages that you manage. Choose the account you want to post from. This is important because the caption, links, and media placement can look different depending on the platform, and the final schedule depends on the selected destination. Now, add your caption, media, and links. In the text area, type the caption you want your audience to read. If you plan to include an image or a video, upload your media in the media section of the Composer. If you have a link to share, add it in the links field or include it in the link area provided. Keep an eye on the preview, if you see one, because it can show you how your post will appear before scheduling. Adding everything here is also what ensures the scheduled post is complete, so you do not have to edit at the last minute. Once your post is ready, click Schedule for Later. This step switches your post from immediate publishing to planning ahead. Look for the scheduling option near the posting controls in the Composer. When you select Schedule for Later, Hootsuite should reveal additional scheduling settings, such as a calendar and time selection. This is the point where you tell Hootsuite exactly when you want the post to go live. After scheduling is enabled, choose the date and time. Select the date from the calendar, and then set the time you prefer. Make sure you are using the correct time zone shown on screen, especially if your team or audience is in a different region. This helps prevent posts from publishing at an unexpected hour. Take a few seconds to double-check the date and time so you feel confident the post will go out at the right moment. Finally, click Schedule. This confirms everything you selected, including the social account, your caption, any media, any links, and the planned publish time. After you click Schedule, Hootsuite should queue the post, and you may see a confirmation message or the post appear in your scheduled content area. From there, you can monitor upcoming posts and make adjustments if needed later. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.